Now, let's proceed to Chapter 4, Interpretation, Analysis, and Interpretation of Data. So, same title po tayo, Corporate Brand Image, Level of Satisfaction and Loyalty in Selected Coffee Shops in Makati City. Dito naman po, we're gonna discuss yung presentation, analysis, and interpretation of data. This chapter deals with the gathered data that will be analyzed and interpreted for the better understanding of the study. The framework of the analysis and interpretation is guided by the problem stated in Chapter 1. Narito na po yung mga analysis at interpretation na rin ng data natin. Number 1, the customer's perception of corporate brand image, affordability. So, nandiyan na po yung mga sagot. Table 1, the customer's perception of corporate brand image and affordability. Indicators, products are affordable, best value for money, competitive pricing. Ang weighted mean, 3.38, 3.32, 3.32, 3.34. Kita natin, positive, 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 and positive. Sa rank naman po, 1, 2.5, 2.5. And then, sa baba, nandiyan naman po yung explanation po natin. Hindi ko na po babasahin lahat. Papakita ko na lang po sa inyo, gaya sa table 2 naman, customer's perception of corporate brand image, stylish. Indicators natin, reflect personal lifestyle, match personal lifestyle, prestige, artistic inclination. And then, yung pong interpretation po natin, nandiyan po sa baba. Inilarank lang po nila. Sa table 3 naman, nandiyan ang customer's perception of corporate brand image, dependability. Indicators, attends to customer's complaint, accommodating, well-trained barista, well-mannered, and attentive in order taking. Yan po. And then, interpretation na rin po natin or explanation. Sa table 4, nandiyan naman ang customer's perception of corporate brand image, reputation. Indicators, attractive facilities, desirable perks, unique varieties of food and beverage, high quality of coffee beans. And then, interpretation. Table 5, summary table for the customer's perception of corporate brand image. Number 1, affordability, 2, stylish, 3, dependability, 4, reputation. And then, interpretation na rin po. Number 2, the customer's level of satisfaction to coffee shops in Makati City. Table 6, the customer's level of satisfaction to coffee shops in Makati City. Indicators, aesthetically pleasing dining area, comfort room is clean, visually appealing from counters, well-ventilated coffee shops, free Wi-Fi services. Table 7, the customer's level of satisfaction to coffee shops in Makati City, location. Indicators, strategically located, cleanliness and attractive, secure and safe. Table 8, the customer's level of satisfaction to coffee shops in Makati City, customer service. Indicators, courteous, quick service, address customers' complaint promptly. Table 9, the customer's level of satisfaction to coffee shops in Makati City, personal service. Table 10, we have the customer's level of satisfaction to coffee shops in Makati City, quality of food. Indicators, varieties of food choices, plateability, presentation and creativity, well-portioned. Table 11, the customer's level of satisfaction to coffee shops in Makati City, price. Indicators, affordable price, expensive. Table 12, summary table for the customer's level of satisfaction to coffee shops in Makati City. Indicators, facilities, location, customer, personal, quality of food, price. Table 13, customers' degree of loyalty to coffee shops in Makati City, indicators, accessibility of location, modern facilities, attitude and behavior of staff, quality service offered, wide selection of food and beverage products, price, positive feedback of the coffee shop.